2022-23 Black Diamond Hockey.
Yeah. Getting our hockey on tonight. Gotta love it. And guys, the post is on X right now. Go to GoGTS Live's X account and make sure that you repost and follow us on for this box of Black Diamond NHL. And also watch until the end of the show to see if you win the hits. All right. In every box, guys, you get one autograph for Diamond Relic card, one base set or parallel card, all numbered, one exquisite collection card, all numbered, and also 3 regular insert, tech, and/or exquisite collection memorabilia cards.
All right.
100 card base set. All the cards are numbered to 349. So. Ooh, that's a nice little bulky, chunky stack.
All right. Black Diamond base card, Samuel Fagemo, numbered to 349. Wow, I was hoping we'd pull one of these.
That's a beauty.
Band of Color, Nathan McKinnon, numbered to 222. Wow. Look at all them gemstones. Boom.
You mean number 222?
That's what I said, wasn't it?
You said 222.
Oh, yeah, 22.
No, he said numbered 222, but the way he said it made it sound like it sounded like it was numbered to 222, but no, just 22. Dang.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Awesome. 6 of 22 to be specific.
That's
very
fabulous.
Cool. Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah. Nice.
That's a
nice hit right
That's
there.
really cool.
That's a boom, boom, shake the room. Nice gemstones. I like it. Look at this thing coming up.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, dang.
Team logos, jumbo rookie, Kent Johnson.
Wow.
Love it.
It's a beautiful patch.
It is. Oh, man, I just got to fondle it.
Get a little frisky there, my man.
Hey, Kirill Kaprizov, Jersey Relic, Diamond Mine Relics.
Ooh.
It's cool.
James, it's nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
We got a rookie gems numbered to 399 of Jacob Perreault.
Yeah.
Last card.
Yeah.
Joe Pavelski, extra exquisite jumbo jersey numbered to 99.
Wow, nice.
All right, let's go back here.
Tell you what, that McKinnon was beauty.
All right, so what I'm going to do, we're going to do 3 winners. I'm going to give the Kirill Kaprizov and the Pavelski to 1 winner. And then 1 winner each for the beautiful Nathan McKinnon and the rookie jumbo logo. So 3 winners from that box. That was hot.
Oh, yeah. That's what the kids call lit, Rob.
Lit.
Definitely lit.
All right.